Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. So in previous session we saw that what is meant by runtime polymorphism and what is meant by final keyword, right? So today we will see the another concept, that is the abstraction. What is meant by abstraction? How we will achieve that? Today we will see that. Okay. So abstraction. So if we see the definition, my screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. If we see the definition, abstraction is hiding implementation and just highlighting the setup services that we are offering. Means this is the meaning of the abstraction. If we take the real-time example, if we want to start the laptop, if you want to start the laptop, or if you want to start the car, if you want to start the laptop, what we will do? Just simply we will press the power on button and our laptop will be on, right? But we don't know what will be the inside implementations. Means if we press the button, what is happening inside, right? We don't know that things. If we take the car example, if we start the car, when we move the key, the car will be start, right? When we move the key, the car will be start, but we don't know what is the internal implementation of that. Just we are showing that that is important things what we are. If key is rotating, that time our car will start. We know only the important things, we don't know the implementation of that, right? So that is only meaning of the abstraction. Abstraction is hiding the implementation and just showing the important services. Okay, just showing the important services to the user, that only known as the abstraction. Okay, if you take the car example, if you move the key, car will be start, but we don't know the internal implementation. If you move the key, what will be happening inside, we don't know that things, right? So this is the meaning of the abstraction. This is very simple. This is a very simple topic, we will see. Okay, so how we will achieve that? Next question is that how we will achieve the abstraction. So we can achieve the abstraction in the two ways. Okay, there are two ways to achieve the abstraction. First way is a abstract class, and another one is the interface. Okay, first way is a abstract class, and another way is a interface. There are two ways to achieve the abstraction. With the help of abstract class, we can achieve 0 to 100% abstraction. If we use the abstract class for the abstraction, we can achieve from 0 to 100%. Sometimes we can achieve 10%, sometimes we can achieve 30%, or sometimes we can achieve 0% or the 100% also. But with the help of interfaces, interface will guarantee you, it will give the 100% abstraction. Means we can achieve the 100% abstraction with the help of interface. So today we will see the first one is the abstract class. How we will achieve the abstraction with the help of abstract class. Okay, so we'll see. So first is the abstract class. So how we will declare the abstract class? The class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as the abstract class. Okay? We have, if you want to declare any class as an abstract class, so what we need to do? Just simple, we need to add the abstract keyword before that. Okay, if you add abstract keyword before the class, that class is converted into the abstract class. That class will be converted into the abstract class, and that is known as the abstract class. The class which is declared with the abstract keyword, okay, that is known as the abstract class. Okay, now we will see it can have abstract and non-abstract method also. So what is meant by abstract method and non-abstract method? The method which is declared with the abstract keyword and which method don't have any body, that is known as the abstract method. And non-abstract method means that method that we are using till now, right? Without abstract keyword, that methods we are using, no, that are known as the non-abstract method, means the simple methods. Okay, so now we will see, we will try to create one program here. Simple, we will come here, this one. Okay, and what we need to do, simple, if I want to create a class, simple, this one is our class, that is the name test. Oh, sorry, we will give another name today, is the demo. Okay, this class I have created. Now I want to convert this class into the abstract class. So what we need to do, what we need to do,
Abstract
we will use
keyword.
abstract
Using
keyword.
abstract keyword.
Simply we need to add a abstract keyword, right here. Simple. Now this class is converted into the abstract class. This is known as the abstract class now. Okay, now we will come to the methods. Now we will come to the method. Simple, if I create like that, m1, this is our normal method, right? This is our normal method. If you want to create a abstract method, so how we will create that? Simple, we will write firstly public, then we will write same like a class. We can declare abstract class with the abstract keyword, so we can declare abstract method with the abstract keyword, right? So simply I am writing here abstract void m2, and I will not provide any concrete body. Concrete body means this one. This is the curly braces open and curly braces close. This is known as the concrete body of the method. This is known as the concrete body of the method. And if you observe that the abstract method don't have the concrete body. Abstract method don't have the concrete body. Okay, it is ended with the semicolon. It is always ended with the semicolon. Okay, so this is known as the abstract method, and this is our normal method. Means we can say that this is our non-abstract method. This is our non-abstract method, and this one is our abstract method. An abstract method don't have any concrete body, and it is ended with the semicolon. This method is ending with the semicolon. Okay, and another thing we must have to know that we can declare abstract method only inside the abstract class. Okay, we can declare abstract method in the abstract class. If you want to declare, if we declare this abstract method in the normal class, suppose this one is our normal class, no, this don't have any abstract keyword, so this one is our normal class, and this one is our abstract class. Now we will try to copy this one, this abstract method here inside this normal method. See what it is giving, it is giving the error because abstract method can always, means abstract method must be declared inside the abstract class, must be declared inside the abstract class. We cannot able to declare abstract method inside the normal class. Okay, we cannot able to declare means abstract method inside the normal class. This one is our normal class, and here we are declaring the abstract method, so we cannot able to do that. We cannot able to do that. Abstract method must be declared inside the abstract class only. Okay, must be declared inside the abstract class only. Okay, so this thing you must have to remember that. After that, abstract class allow abstract method as well as the non-abstract method also. Okay, means inside the class we can declare both the method. There's the abstract method also, this one is our abstract method, and non-abstract method also. But if you want to declare the abstract method, it must be declared into the abstract class only. It must be declared into the abstract class. This thing you must have to remember that. Okay? After that, it needs to be extended and its method implemented. Suppose we have created a method here, that is the m2 method. Okay, suppose we have not created this method, we only created the abstract method inside our abstract class. Now if you observe that it don't have, this method don't have any body. Okay, so if you want to provide the body, what we need to do, we have to extend this class into the another class, and inside the child class we have to provide the implementation of this method. We have to provide the implementation of this method, that is the abstract method. How we have to do the, how we are doing this? So firstly we will extend this one, extend and the demo. Simple, we will do like that. See, it is giving the error because whenever we extend the abstract method, we have to provide the implementation of this abstract method. Whatever method present inside that, whatever abstract method present inside the abstract class, we have to provide the implementation inside the child class. We have to provide implementation inside the child class, means we have to override that method. See, if I this control bar, the add an implement method. If I click on that, see what sign it is giving? It is the add override. Add at the rate override means this method it is overriding here. And here if you notice that here our method is void m2, right? That is the m2 method, and it don't have any body. And here it is already providing the body. It is already providing the body. Okay, so if you want to provide the body of this method, So whenever we inherit this abstract class, we have to provide the implementation whatever method present inside the that class. Okay? Whatever method present inside the after abstract class. Okay? So here suppose I have created the M2 method, abstract M2 method, and suppose I want to provide the body of that. So first what we need to do, we have to extend this class into the another class, and inside the child class we have to provide the implementation of this abstract method. Okay, that's it. Okay, after that what we need to do, simple, here we will write simply, here we can write anything system dot out, and here we will write hello, like that. Okay, and after that we will write simply main method, just simple thing that we are doing. After that new, to call this method, simply we will create a object test, and here I will give the name as the obj dot obj dot. If I run this one, our right, see, hello is printing on the console. See here, inside the abstract class, we have not provided any implementation, right? We only provided the important services. We only provided here the important services. We don't know the implementation here inside the abstract class. Where we provide the implementation inside the child class, we have created the implementation. Okay, inside the child class, we have provided the implementation. That only known as the abstraction, means we are hiding the implementation and just we will show the important services to the user. That only known as the abstraction. Okay, that only known as the abstraction, and this is the first way to achieve the abstraction. Now we will see the another theory about this. It cannot be instantiated. It cannot be instantiated means we cannot able to create the object of our abstract class. We cannot able to create the object of our abstract class. Why? Because see here, if we created the method inside the abstract class, all the methods of the abstract class are like that, means it doesn't have any body, right? And it is ended with the semicolon. If we able to create that also, so if we able to create the object, so we can able to call these methods also. And if you call this method, what will happen? Nothing is present inside that. These are only empty methods, right? These are only empty methods. So what it will be do? If we create able to create the object also, so what it will be do? Means there is no use, right? There is no use of creating the object. So that's why we are not able to create the object of the abstract class. It cannot be instantiated. Abstract class cannot be instantiated. Okay, after that the another point is that it can have constructor and static method also. I mean, inside this one, that is the inside the abstract class, we can declare the constructor also. How we will declare? Simply we will write public, and after that demo, simple like that. Okay, inside it simply we will write anything. Okay. This one is our constructor. We can declare the constructor inside the abstract class also, or we can declare the static method also inside the abstract class. Okay, this is the thing. After that, syntax. What is the syntax? It is the abstract class, abstract keyword, class, and the class name. Right? Abstract keyword, class keyword, then class name, and instead that we will provide a statement, means whatever we can add the method statements and all. We can add anything, right, according to our need. So this is the syntax of our abstract class, and this is the all about the abstract method. Points we must have to remember, that is the, if you want to declare the, if you want to convert any class into the abstract class, what we need to do, what we need to do if I want
Using
to,
abstract keyword.
right, we have to use the abstract keyword. And inside the abstract class, which type of methods are present, means which type of methods it will be allowed.
Constructors and static methods.
Constructor, static methods, as well as abstract and
Abstract
non
methods.
abstract and non-abstract method also, right? It will allow abstract and non-abstract method also, constructor also, and the static method also, right? And after that, can we declare the abstract method inside the non-abstract class?
No.
No, right? We cannot able to declare the abstract method inside the normal class. If you want to declare the abstract method, we must have to declare inside the abstract class only. Okay, this thing you must have to know that. And after that, if you want to provide the implementation of this abstract class, what we need to do,
Inherit the parent class.
Yes, we have to inherit this abstract class. We have to inherit this abstract class, and after that, inside the child class, we have to override this method. We have to override this method. So that's it. Okay. So now we will see one example. We will try to create one example here. So here we will come, and this one also we will remove. So what we will do? Simply we will create. So simply we will create a class with the name B. Simply we will create a one example here. Okay, inside the class I'm creating one class that name is a vehicle, and inside that I'm creating one abstract method that is the public abstract void and the run or run start. Okay, so it is giving the error. Why it is giving the error? Anyone knows why it is giving the error?
It is not the method is not there in abstract class.
Yes, the method is not present inside the abstract class. So if you want to declare the abstract method, it must be inside the abstract class. So if you want to make this class into the abstract class, what we need to do?
Using
Keyword
abstract keyword.
abstract keyword.
Simply we have to use the abstract keyword. If I use the abstract keyword, this class is converted into the abstract class, and now this method is allowed by this class. Okay. So this one is our first method. After that, I am creating the another class here. Abstract class we have created. After that, we will create the another class car, and I will extend that one. Extends vehicle. Simply, I am extending the vehicle class, and if I extend this one, it is giving the error. Why it is giving the error? What we need to do now? It is giving the error.
We should override the
We have to
wow.
override, right? We have to override. So simply I will click control 1 and add unimplemented method, or otherwise you can write yourself also. Okay, so here what we need to do, simply we will write any statement, and here we have provided the implementation of our abstract method, right? Inside the child class, this one is our child class, right? Extends vehicle. Vehicle means our parent class, and car is our child class, right? So inside the child class, we must have to provide the implementation of our abstract method. So here I am providing the implementation of that. So simply I will write here system.out, and here I will write car is start by e. Simple I'm writing car is start by e. I will create another example here, that is class bike. Okay, again I'm writing extends vehicle. Simply I'm writing extends vehicle. Now also it is giving the error because we have to override this, right? So I have overridden the start by method, that is the this one, this method we have to override here. Yeah, what I will do, simply I will write same thing like a car. System.out bike is start by kick. Okay, bike is start by kick. So we have created the two example here, that is the car and the bike. Okay? And first thing, as previously we have created the abstract class, that is the vehicle, and inside that we have created the method, that is the abstract method, which don't have any body and which is ended with the semicolon, right? So if we want to provide the body of that, of these abstract methods, what we need to do, simply we have to inherit it, right? So here I have created one class here, that is the class car, and I have inherited this vehicle. I have inherited this vehicle class, and after that I have to provide the implementation, right? I have to override it this whenever we inherit the abstract class, whatever method present inside that, whatever abstract method present inside the abstract class, we have to override this all these methods, right? If I declare another method here, see, public abstract and void name. Suppose I have created the another method, that is the abstract method. So it is giving error again. Why? This means whatever method, if number of methods are present inside, number of abstract method present inside the abstract class, we have to override all these methods. Okay, if I have 10 method inside the abstract class, okay, 10 abstract method present inside the abstract class. So whenever we inherit that abstract class, we have to override all that 10 methods. See, if I right click on that, or Okay, if I control and this one here, so this method will also override. Okay, so whatever method, whatever, if we created the number of abstract method here, and if we inherit this class, so we have to provide the body of this all that class. Okay, so this thing you must have to remember that. So after that, I have overridden this method here inside the car also and inside the bike also, because I am extending the abstract. I have extending the abstract class. This one is our abstract class, the vehicle, right? And after that, what we will do, simply inside the test class, we will create one method here. You main method. We can create inside the bike also or inside the car also, but I am creating here inside the main test class. Simply, I will create main method here. Inside that, we will create the object of that. Firstly, we will create the, if you want to call this one, this object, this method, what we need to do, it is present inside the car class, right? It is present inside the car class. So what we need to do, simply we have to create the object of the car class and we will call this method. Same like that, if you want to call this method, what you need to do, simply it is present inside the bike class, so we will create the object of the bike class, and after that we will call, with the help of bike class object, we can call this method, right? We can call this method. Now we will do that by new car. Simple, right? New car, and we will create the object. That is the car, the object I have created. The object is created. Now we will try to call that method car dot. See what is the name of this method? That is the start by. Okay, now we will create the another same like that, that is the bike. For bike we will create object new bike. Okay, here we will write bike dot same method we have, that is the start by. If I run this one now, what will be the output? Anyone knows, or any guesses? Anyone knows what will be the output? See here, I will show you all the program. What will be the output?
Car is
Car is start by kick
bike is
and bike
start
is
by
start
kick.
by kick.
Yes, first thing, it will print car is start by key, and after that it will print bike is start by key. Always, if you want to learn the program, or if you want to um, means anything, any program you want to learn, no, so what we need to do, simply we can go with the, main method. Firstly we will start with the main method. Here we will come inside the main method. After that we will see what is wrote inside the main method. Simply we will come here inside the main method. I will maximize this one. Okay, simply we'll come into the main method. Means JVM always come into the main method first. So JVM will see we have created the object. So firstly what it will do, it will see whenever we create the object, the constructor will call, right? So it will see any constructor is there. So it will come inside the car class and it will see any constructor is there. So no, here no constructor is there, right? So it will come here again and it will see car dot start by. So we are calling the start by method with the help of car class object, right? So it will come inside the class again and it will see where is the start by method and it will call the start by method, right? It will call start by method. Then it will print car is start by key. Car is start by key it will print, and it will come outside from here and it will come outside from here also. And again it will come here, right? It will come here because here is the semicolon, and semicolon is used to terminate the instruction. So it will come go to the next instruction. We have created the object of the bike, so it will come the bike again. So any constructor is there inside the bike class, it will come here. No, in no constructor is there, so it will come again inside the bike, inside the main method of the class, right? And it will see bike dot start by. So we have to call, GVM will understand that we have to call the start by method which is present inside the bike class, right? So it will come here and it will see bike is start by kick. So it will print on the console and it will come outside from here also and from here also, and our program will be in, right? So same like that. So if I run this one, car is start by key and bike is start by key, it will print like that only. Okay, so what is happened here, so firstly we have created the vehicle class here. After that what is happening, we just created the abstract method here and we have give the name, that is this start by. We have given the name, that is this start by. And whenever we whenever we want to you means if you want to implement this method, what we for the implementation of this method, what we need to do, simply we have to inherit it, right? So we have inherited inside the car class also and the bike class also, and we have provided the method, we have provided the implementation for that method also, right? And here what we are doing, just simply we are providing the important services, we are not showing the implementation. We are providing implementation inside the child classes, or in all the child classes we are providing the implementation. Here only we are showing the important services to the user. We just simply provided important services to the user, that is known as the abstraction. Abstraction means simply hiding implementation and just showing the important services to the user, that is known as the abstraction. Okay, that only known as the abstraction. Okay, so that is the all about the abstraction. Anyone have any doubt till here? Anyone any doubt?
Yes, Tanmay.
Yes, bro, tell me.
Can we declare the instance variable in abstract class?
Yes, we can declare here also, but it must be, I
So
think, final int a. So it will be declared, bro.
it will be declared, but the value needs to be given in the child class, right?
Yes, yes. No, we can give here also.
Here also, I need to call this instance variable.
Instance variable here we can call this. See, here we will simply write a. So it will be called. Whereas
Okay.
this one, it will be car is start by key and the 10 it will get. See, car is start by key and 10 is building.
Okay, Tanmay. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Anyone have any other doubt? Feel free to ask anything. Hello. Anyone have any other doubt? Okay, so this is the first way to achieve the abstraction, right? This is the first way to achieve the abstraction. With the abstract class, we can achieve the abstraction, right? We have successfully achieved the abstraction with the help of abstract class. And remember this thing: with the help of abstract class, we can achieve only 0 to 100%, because inside the abstract class, they have it must have the abstract class also, and it sometimes it can have the non-abstract method also, right? Inside the abstract class we can declare abstract method also and non-abstract method also, but inside the interfaces we can achieve the 100% of abstraction. Why? Because inside the interface there all the methods are abstract, all the methods are present inside the interface are all the abstract only. Okay, so interfaces we will see tomorrow. That's it for today, guys. If you have any issue, please ping me or ping me on the group, we will definitely help you. And today's assignment is that you have to create a program on the abstract class. Okay, and you have to send it on the group, and try to send means most of the people are not sending the assignment, so try to send that. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for your time. We will meet tomorrow. Bye.